All right, welcome back, my dear student. So one thing that I want to actually do in this small application here is that I want to go to search and I want to take this out of here. I want to take the connection out of there. I'm going to cut it out. All right, and I want to create a separate file for our connection to our database. It's going to be called db.php. All right, and I'm going to paste that in there. Oops. What did I do? What did I do? It's not good. db.php, enter. Right, and then paste it in there. Sorry about that, guys. Make sure that you put your PHP tags, of course. And I wish this editor had that PHP tags. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, it does have some type of plugin that we can, you know, do the PHP and then tab and we create a PHP tag automatically. That would be nice. I haven't really actually researched it, but probably it's already available. But anyway, so we have the connection here. What we need right now is to include this in our search just to make sure that it's working. That would be nice. I think we could do required. Let's do include and see how that works. And we'll include db.php. All right, and let's try this out to see if it works. B. All right, so it's still working. Beautiful. So we're gonna do the same thing for our. Actually, we even haven't created it yet. All right, we're gonna be creating a different file for our code to add the cars. All right, we could, if we wanted to, put it right here if we wanted, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna send this information somewhere else. So I'm gonna create a separate file, and I'm gonna call this add cars.php. Enter. Then we're gonna include. Let's write a PHP tag first, right? There we go. We're gonna include the database, of course, db.php. All right, so we have this file ready here to go. Let's go to our index and see what we got to do here. So basically what we're going to be doing here is picking up all this information with jQuery and communicating like we did here, but we're going to be using some different functions to communicate, because I just want to show you a different way of doing it. All right, you learned the .AJAX function. The next one you're going to learn the .post function. It's going to be really cool. All right, so let's actually make sure that we have the correct. All right, so we're going to start writing our code right here. All right, but let's go to the form first and put an ID here because we want to select it, and we're going to say add car form. That's going to be the ID. All right, so in the next lecture we're going to select the form, get all this data out of there, and submit it to the database. Hopefully we got time to do that on the next one. Take care, keep active, keep playing around with the code. It's really exciting to learn something new, and I promise you this course is going to give you some of the foundations that you're going to be using in really nice application with AJAX. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.